Ladies, I've got some bad news. If you hear your man talking about something that he's never going to quit on, never going to stop spending money on, never going to give up on, he's not talking about you. He's talking about his project car. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over all of the best holiday gift ideas for the truck enthusiast in your life. Everything that I'm going to go over in today's video is going to be around the $100 price point and will be linked in the description below. Let's get started. Thank you guys so much, by the way, for 10,000 subscribers. You guys are the best. So right off the bat, what does the truck enthusiast want to do to their truck, want for their truck? Obviously, they want bigger, better, faster, stronger. So in following along with that, we are going to go first off with the lift kit or the level kit. A lift kit or level kit is going to do exactly what it sounds like. It is going to level your truck or it is going to lift your truck. There are a bunch of different options out there for under $100, and there are a couple of different options out there for just over $100. These things are going to give your truck an awesome look. You're not going to have to do anything too crazy to the truck. A lot of these things are installable on your own. You're not going to have to take them to a shop. You're not going to have to pay a lot of money to have them installed, and it'll give you a couple more different, cooler, better options for fitting larger tires, larger wheels, and giving it a much more mean, aggressive, off-road capable, awesome look to your truck. Personally, a leveling kit is something that I have done on every single truck that I've owned. I've always gone with the puck style leveling kit, which is essentially just a metal spacer that you put on top of your struts, and it makes the top, or the front part of your truck rather, sit higher. However, there are a couple different options on the market now that is going to give you an entirely new strut. Instead of just giving you a piece of metal that goes on top of your existing one, it's going to give you a brand new front strut assembly that you're going to be able to install on the truck yourself, as well as give you some new shocks on the back. Specifically, the kit that I'm talking about is the Rough Country leveling kit. Very inexpensive. It's usable for Ford, for Toyota, for Chevy. They make a kit for each type of truck, so it's versatile across all the different models and makes. The second upgrade we're going to talk about is a remote starter option for your truck. The one that I'm going to talk about right now is called Starter X. Again, it's linked below, but it's a really cost-effective option for your truck. Everything is going to be specifically plug and play, very user-friendly, very easy to install. Like I said, just with the leveling kit prior, you're going to be able to install this at home yourself. So the money that you spend on these items, you're not going to be spending additional money having them installed or, hooked up to your truck. You're going to be able to do this for the most part at home by yourself for free. Starter X is, like I said already, it's completely plug and play. It has really good reviews on Amazon. A lot of the newer trucks have like an app built into your phone where you can remote start your truck from anywhere. My truck has the Ford Pass. But if you guys don't have that on your truck, if your truck is an older model or it's a newer model and it just doesn't have the app remote start option, Starter X is a great way to get a remote start option for a relatively inexpensive price point, around the $100 to $150 price points. And especially as it's getting to be that time of year where you're getting the colder months, you're gonna wanna have that remote start option so you can start your vehicle from a distance while you're still inside the house, get it warmed up, get it running, get it good to go for when you actually go out and you need to get going. For our third option, we're gonna head to the back of the truck and we're gonna talk about tonneau covers. Now, the last two trucks that I have owned, I have had soft trifold tonneau covers on my truck. No more than $150 for each one, and both of them were worth every single penny of them. I had one that I got off of Amazon, and I had one that I got from an actual off-road truck dealer. It was a Rough Country tonneau cover, but it was definitely worth every single penny. The one that I'm currently rocking on my truck right now is a hard top. It's still a trifold, but it is a hard cover. These things give your truck a really clean, really sleek look to it. It makes everything look like complete, if you will. And obviously it offers that added security, so you can have things in the bed of your truck, you can leave them in the bed of your truck. prying eyes won't see them, and it'll give you that extra security if somebody decided that they actually wanted to try and go after whatever was in the bed of your truck. The hard cover that I actually have right now, tonneau covers have come a really long way from being just a basic cover for the bed of your truck. The one that I have right now actually has an LED light bar built into the back that you plug into, like where you would plug in something if you were like, you know, towing something, that your trailer plug-in. And it actually works with like the right and the left tail lights for like if you turn your turn signal on. So the brake light will work with the LED light bar across the back of the tonneau cover, and your turn signals will work with them. That one unfortunately is going to be a little bit pricier. I believe it was in the $400 to $500 price range, but there are a ton of reasonable $100 to $150 price point options for a soft tri-fold tonneau cover or a roll-up tonneau cover. And again, makes the truck look really great. It does give you that extra added, you know, bit of security, bit of just coverage. You know, obviously it'll protect it from rain and snow and stuff like that. Not very expensive, and again, something that you can easily install by yourself at home. Just be sure if you're picking up one off of eBay or Amazon where you might not be familiar with the brand of tonneau cover that you're buying, make sure that you find one that has a lot of reviews that are actually like legit and don't come across as like scammy, as like maybe they just, you know, paid a bunch of bots or whatever to go and post positive reviews on them. Look for ones that have user photos and reviews that just sound legit. This last one will be a bit of a wild card, but chances are if you own a truck, you're a fan of the outdoors. And so I am going to suggest something that I recently picked up for myself, and that is a truck bed tent. They make tents that are specifically designed to fit over and around encasing the bed of your truck to use that room that is back there already and make it into a tent area. That way, if you're camping, you can sleep elevated off the ground and you will have a nice, secure, you know, flat surface for where you're sleeping. You're not worrying about bugs, you're not worrying about moisture, you're not worried about anything down there. It's a really cool option. Like I said already, I just recently picked up one for myself. Actually, I picked it up a while ago. I just haven't had a chance to use it. But this weekend, for my birthday, I'm treating myself to a little weekend getaway, and I'm actually going to be taking my truck bed tent, taking it out into the woods, spending a couple nights out there camping. I'm going to make a video about it, share it with you guys, but it's definitely a cool option to consider if you're thinking about maybe a bit of a wild card gift for the outdoorsman truck enthusiast in your life. So there you have it, guys. There is a couple awesome holiday gift ideas for the truck enthusiast out there in your guys' life. If you guys have any questions about anything I talked about in today's video, leave it down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. As I said in the beginning of the video, all the things that I mentioned in today's video are also going to be linked down in the description below. If you guys want to go check them out for yourselves, pick them up. It also does help me if you guys use one of those links as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for all the support that you have been showing me on all of those short little YouTube short videos I've been making. I hope you guys enjoy those. I love making those, and you guys are definitely going to be seeing a lot more of those short videos coming from me in the future. But like I said already, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!
Like you, have a cupcake. I like you, have a cupcake.
Smack my ass like the drum.
Guys, it's Scotty Kilmer here. I'm here to tell you 5 reasons why this bowl is the best bowl for eating soup. First off, you got the circular shape, perfect for holding soup. Second off, you got a spoon, perfect for scooping the soup and eating soup. And let's not forget the smooth edges for drinking the soup out of the bowl of soup. They really just don't make bowls of soup like they used to.
Hey YouTube fam, just want to let you know today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, Dollar Shave Club, Raycon Earbuds. Video is sponsored by Manscaped.
私はあなたと心中するために今日まで生きてきたのです。きっとそうです。ザザイ。
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?